You're looking at the FEU Lady Tams, fresh off their first win of the season, a straight set victory against the University of the Philippines, bouncing back from a tough 5-set loss to Ateneo.
Yep. But FEU really showed us that hindi naman we expected Ateneo to breeze through that game, diba? Parang hindi dapat ganun ka-tough, but FEU really showing us they have championship history behind them and hindi basta-basta magpapatalo. And that's good news for Coach Nes Pamilar.
Gumabaw digs that one up. They go to the left. Aragalang dug up nicely there. They go to the middle. Maraño gets the point.
And that was off a Gumabaw set. Look at this one.
Standstill set there by Michelle Gumabaw to her partner Abby Maraño, both players in their 4th season as a member of the Lady Archers, the Lady Spikers, excuse me. Drop ball does not work for Wen's Chu. Gohing playing in her last year for LaSalle, digging that one up, and Tiu gets that point.
This time off the blockers of Adamson, as you can see it once again. Look at you using the outmost blocker for that point.
Aragalang with a new jersey number this year, switching from number 10 to 8. That one goes out, so it's another point for LaSalle. 3 straight points for the defending champions after that break. Makatuno sets to the left. They go back to Bebs Pineda.
That was well taken care of by Maraño. Look how they were able to read the hips of Pineda so well. She was blocked twice.
So it's now 4 straight points for LaSalle after trailing 8-7. It's a back set now for Mayet Zapanta, and she stops the bleeding.
This time it's Zapanta challenging the blockers. Brave move.
Veterans on this Adamson squad. Mayet Zapanta in her 4th year. Bebs Pineda in her 4th year as well. Of course, Pao Soriano in her 5th and final playing year. Faye Guevara gets that one to go through.
You know, it's so funny, Anton, that you say that, let's say, Mayet Zapanta on her last year, the veteran of Adamson, because I can still remember her first game in the UAAP.
Okay.
Sobrang bilis. You going wide on that last hit, but a brave move, swiping the ball on that spike. You normally see that in veteran players.
And Tiu now filling in the role of Cha Cruz in the first 6 in just her sophomore season with LaSalle. New blood on the floor for Coach Ramil. Kim Fajardo, one of 3 rookies on the squad, checks in.
Well, you know, Fajardo also coming from UST High School. And ngayon I can see that Coach Ramil is using her. And Esperanza is now having an easier time. Nakakapahinga si Esperanza. And from time to time, you see nga na matagal rin ang playing time nitong si Fajardo. Really, another good setter.
And a tall one at that.
Yes. Pareho no?
Yeah.
Such a big advantage for Coach Ramil. If, let's say, yung both setters, it's as if nothing is, walang difference, no? No difference at all in height and the way they set. Siguro, ang magiging difference lang yung ano ba yung mental nila coming in the game nung dalawa, di ba? If, let's say, you will have your bad games, of course. Sometimes yung mga decisions mo are not as good as the other games. So, si Coach Ramil Ramil has that luxury now of having two good setters in his team.
But right now, we are witnessing a very tight contest between these two squads. Michelle Gumabao energized in her attempt to bounce back after a quiet showing last Sunday.
Look at this, so easy. To put that away so easily that parang akala mo ang dali-dali ng volleyball.
And, you know, I remember talking to Coach Noel Orculio about Michelle Gumabao during the basketball season of the UAP. And he told me in this exact word, sabi niya, noong unang pumasok si Michelle sa LaSalle, she was nothing. Nothing. He used that word.
Meaning to say parang blank slate. Wala. There was nothing on the paper. Ngayon, it was all parang taught by the coaches. And of course, she's one of the best in this season 75. Even last year.
Yeah. Two-time best blocker of the UAAP, but that time getting a taste of her own medicine. Soriano and Villanueva collaborating on that block. Let's watch it right here. Oh, it was a single block by the former Lasallian, Amanda Villanueva.
Well, what you like about Gumabao is that she's so textbook. Parang ang dali niya panoorin volleyball. So easy when you see her play. Parang no frills. Diba? Simpleng volleyball lang.
Nice drop ball there by the sophomore Mika Reyes. Zapanta goes to the back row. Galang. Listana digs that one up. Soriano could not get it over the net, so that's a point for LaSalle. Now, as we head into our second break, a Kit Kat break, LaSalle is on top by 1. Get ready for what's next. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.